Our dreams have to be bigger, our ambitions higher, our commitment deeper, and our efforts greater. Hey guys, welcome to Indo Business.
One of the legendary business tycoons of the country, the man who created an extraordinary platform of business and employment for the nation, Mr. Dheeraj Lal Hirachand Ambani, popularly known as Dhirubhai Ambani. Dhirubhai Ambani was born in Gujarat on 20th December 1932. He is admired and respected for his valuable contributions to trade and industrialization in India even today, the Reliance Industries. Most of you might partially know about the past and story of Dhirubhai Ambani. But here are 5 untold facts you need to know about Dhirubhai Ambani that will surprise you but surely motivate you. Number 5. His education. It might come to a shock, but Dhirubhai Ambani, one of the biggest business tycoons, was actually an uneducated person in the country. In spite of his father being a school teacher, he had done his schooling till 10th grade. The main reason for him to quit his education at an early stage was because of the poor financial conditions in his family. Yet, he was forced to work. That brings us to fact number 4. Fact number 4. He took up multiple jobs. Although Dhirubhai Ambani came from a poor family, his mind was as sharp as a businessman's mind should be. He even strictly followed the policy of making money work for him in an amazing systematic way. In his early days, he used to sell famous Indian snacks like bhajiyas and chaat pakodas to pilgrims and used to earn a small amount of money. Later on, at the age of 16, he traveled to Aden, Yemen, in a cargo ship and worked as a clerk in a trading company. Due to his hard work, he was promoted to work in a gas station which was also a part of the same company. In his free time from work, he even began selling toys by creating a small team of his colleagues from the gas station he used to work in. After 7 years of hard work and savings from various jobs, he decided to start his own business, and the rest is history. Fact number 3. His first office. Dhirubhai Ambani's first office was not a big shot, but was only the space of 350 square feet, which included only one telephone, 2 tables and 3 chairs. His close family relatives were his team who stayed with him for years. Despite having a small office, he never stopped having bigger dreams for the future of Reliance Industries. Fact number 2. A master negotiator. One of the main reasons why Reliance is at the top today is because of the negotiation skills which Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani possessed that helped him to grow his business in a booming manner. He considered every threat or weakness in the business a platform of opportunity to grow and make his business more profitable. For instance, in the year 1966, in his early days of business, due to a major fluctuation of currency, his yarn business was forced to shut down immediately. But despite the failure of importing yarn, he decided to manufacture synthetic fabric in India and made the first textile mill in Narod, Gujarat, which led him to create the brand Vimal. By this fact, you can understand what kind of a master negotiator he was. Fact number 1. His greatest achievements. In the year 1996, 1998 and 2000, Dhirubhai Ambani was featured among Power 50, the most powerful people in Asia in the magazine Asia Week. Not only that, he was also the first Indian in history to receive the Dean's Medal in 1998. In the year 2000, he was awarded the Man of the Century by the Chemical Engineering World in Mumbai and was also given the title Man of 20th Century by the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, also known as FICCI. And the list of his achievements goes on and on. But in the end, Dhirubhai Ambani had earned the respect of the nation and will always be remembered for his contribution to India.
If you like this video, please do share it with your friends and do subscribe to our channel Indo Business. We come with new videos every week. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.